Welcome to the Academy for Data Center and Cloud Studies. Today, in our Technology Rapid Fire Chat, we have with us Mr. Srivastava, Chief Operating Officer at Anant Raj Cloud, an industry veteran with deep expertise in cloud, AI infrastructure, and next-generation data centers. He is someone who's been at the forefront of India's evolving data center ecosystem. Samir, welcome to the show.
Thank you. Great to be here. Exciting time for the industry.
Let's start simple. What exactly is a GPU data center?
A GPU data center is built for AI workloads like training and inference. While traditional racks run at 5 to 10 kilowatt, GPU racks go up to 60 to 120 kilowatt. So fundamentally, it is not just a data center anymore. It's an AI compute factory.
Where does the money really go?
About 40 to 50% goes into the GPUs alone. The rest is power, cooling, and high-speed networking.
Give us a benchmark. How expensive are these facilities?
Well, traditionally, data centers cost 7 to 10 million US dollars per megawatt. But AI data centers, they cost around 18 to 25 million US dollars per megawatt.
What's stopping faster growth?
Power. AI campuses need 100 to 300 megawatt, and getting that takes a huge number of years. In this industry, power is the new currency.
Let's talk about the profitability. Is the ROI worth it?
Absolutely. AI racks generate 10 to 15x more revenue. This is why IRRs jump to 20 to 35%.
If you had to simplify, what are the essentials?
Three things: GPU compute, high-speed networking, and advanced cooling.
How big can this get? The scale, I mean.
We are talking about 100 to 300 megawatt campuses. That's up to 1 lakh GPUs in a single location.
Let's talk India. Biggest long-term change?
We are early, but moving fast. Today, 120 megawatt. By 2030, it would go up to 1 gigawatt. I'm talking about the AI data centers capacity, driven by players like Adani Connects, Control S, and similar others.
Samir, in one line, what should leaders take away?
We are moving from storage-centric to compute-centric infrastructure. Data centers are becoming compute factories powered by electricity. AI is redefining infrastructure. Those who build for compute density today will lead the tomorrow.
Thanks, Samir. If you found this insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to ADCS for more deep dives into data center and cloud innovation.